Okay, now I'm going to be demonstrating forward by back into the right. Okay, for this exercise I'm going to be using observation, control, accuracy. Also, I'm not going to be demonstrating any reference point. Reason for that, every car's got different reference point. Also, every instructors they use their own reference point. Okay, that's something you need to practice with instructor, right? They should be able to demonstrate that reference point for you or show you the reference point. Okay, so without delay we can move on and get that done. Okay, so from here I'm going to keep my car in a center middle, not too close to the right, not too close to the left. I'm going to go nice and slow, and I'm just going to turn my wheel roughly back here for lock, and my car straight. I'm going to get my wheel straight. Okay, car's fully into the bed. I'm going to stop with the foot brake, clutch down, handbrake, neutral. Now also when you go for your test ride, they might ask you to reverse out, yeah? So I'm going to demonstrate that now. Okay, clutch down, reverse, gas, find a biting point. And I'm going to look around, all round observation. Okay, scanning all round, all clear. I'm going to release my handbrake. I'm going to use my clutch control nice and slow. And I'm going to turn the wheel, full lock, nice and gently. Looking around again, nothing around it, all good. Okay, my car straight and get my wheel straight. Stop with the foot brake, handbrake, neutral. Okay, simple as that, it's done. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.